I don't know who will give you job opportunity for dual employment. Thousands of people struggling because of overlapping. Honestly speaking, you did big mistake. Okay, and MNCs rejecting your profile. That is true. I'm not blaming you. And this is what happening. Hope you also experience the same things. That is why you're searching my videos. If you have overlapping, you cannot get the job back. There is an alternative way I suggesting you people, and if you are really interested, then only you can approach to me. Once done your consulting fee, I will suggest you the tricks, but don't share these tricks to everybody. Okay, don't spread the tricks. There is only one alternative way, and we cannot do anything in PF account. You cannot modify, editing the end date and adjusting the end date. Nothing can be done. Okay, what is true, that I will suggest you. Only one alternative way that I will suggest you. Apart from that, there is no alternative way. You cannot get the job. Okay, if you are really interested, you can drop email to me. Consulting fee is little bit big, and once you done your consulting fee, I will suggest you what you need to do to get the job. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.